Latest in the Pratyusha Banerjee alleged suicide case, Mumbai court has today rejected Pratyusha's boyfriend Rahul Raj Singh's anticipatory bail plea. Pratyusha's lawyer Falguni Brahmbhatt opposed the plea in the court, claiming that it could be a case of murder. Rahul Raj's second lawyer moved the bail petition on Wednesday after an abetment to suicide case was lodged against Pratyusha's boyfriend. Meanwhile, Rahul Raj's doctor claims that he is still has suicidal tendencies and he cannot be discharged from the hospital. Rahul was booked on Tuesday for abetment to suicide. Pratyusha's family and friends continue to blame him for her death.
कभी कभी तो सुनती थी, उसको समझ में आ रहा था कि हाँ टॉर्चर शुरू हो गया है, बहुत परेशान रहती थी, हाँ हमेशा झगड़ा होता था, मुझे भी बहुत बुरा लगता था। मुझे वो इंसल्ट करके घर से निकाला, एक बार पहले किया था, फिर भी मैं नहीं बोल के आ गई थी बॉम्बे।
हाँ, मैं उस बंदे को कभी पसंद नहीं किया, बट मजबूरी।
वजह क्या थी?
वजह मतलब चेहरे से लगता था चोर है।
को यहाँ से छोड़ के जब जमशेदपुर गई तब 20-25 लाख आराम से थे, लेकिन अब वो जीरो हो गए।
तब नहीं, उसके बाद 20-25 लाख रुपया पड़े हैं और निकले हैं। रेगुलर बेसिस पे पैसा आया है अकाउंट में। प्रत्युषा काम कर रही थी और निकला भी।
I have Pratyusha's lawyer Falguni Bhatt with me, who was in the court and who had argued on behalf of the family. Let's speak to her, ma'am. First of all, what was the main thing that they were citing as the reason that why his anticipatory bail should be given? What is the applicant?
There were two grounds. One was the delay of FIR, that the FIR was registered after 4 days of the incident. Secondly, they are saying that she had huge loans and debts on her. That could be a reason she committed suicide. And our reply to that was delay. Obviously, she was the only daughter. They can't expect the parents because they were mentally traumatized and they were not in a state of mind to give a statement. So they waited for 4 days for the rituals to be completed, and thereafter they have come before the police and registered an offence. And secondly, as far as the debts are concerned, she was not kind of a girl. She was mentally very strong and she could not have committed suicide for debts, and that also needs to be verified. There were actually loans or no. They are saying that there were loans, but we don't know whether there were any loans or no.
Vidya is now joining us with more details. Vidya, help us understand, till the doctor under whose supervision Rahul Raj is at the moment gives a go-ahead, will it be difficult for the police to proceed in this matter, as in arrest him?
Well, it certainly is a similar case as you pointed out. In fact, Maha, I am right now outside Mangur Nagar police station where this entire incident has been registered. I spoke to some of the policemen and they said that they will be going, in fact at the moment they have already gone to the hospital where Rahul Raj is admitted in. In fact, they said that they will be speaking to the doctors, and probably after speaking to the doctors they will take a call. But certainly that's another allegation that the family of Pratyusha has alleged in the court. They said that this is a small time hospital, it can be managed pretty well. Probably that's the reason why he's been admitted there. There is nothing wrong with him, his BP is completely all right, and in fact it is only because they could influence the doctor. That's the reason why the doctors have given some kind of a certificate, and that's the reason why the policemen really need to question the doctors before they can take any further step. But in the meantime, his lawyers will be taking the order. In fact, they have taken the order from the Sessions Court and will be approaching the Bombay High Court for a similar anticipatory bail application that they'll be filing there right away.
Vidya, many thanks for joining us with those details. Alright, we're getting news that after getting DNA samples, or rather giving the DNA samples of the 4 Pakistani terrorists killed in the Pathankot airbase attack, India is now contemplating disposing of the dead bodies lying.
There's the hair. But then I decided to use the public transport. And now I feel I look like Natha. But don't you worry, the show looks fantastic.